What's up, guys? All right, trying to make a very quick video for you guys, but for some reason, um, it didn't record properly. Okay, so basically this morning, I waited almost an hour. Sometimes you gotta be patient, like a sniper. You just gotta sit there and wait, and when you get that right kill shot, you just take that, you pull that trigger, and no hesitation, right? So, VVPR popped up on Tradeideas. Again, if you guys don't have Tradeideas, there's a link below. You guys can click on that link. And if you guys need my scanner settings, hit me up. I'll try to I'll work something out for you guys. It's not free, obviously, but I'll try to work something out with you and hook you up. But yeah, with this stock, basically it popped up on the scanner. I found it through trade ideas because this morning there was just nothing happening. Nothing was happening. So I just was waiting and watching the scanner. And VVPR popped up on the scanner right around here. I pulled it up right around this time frame, that 10:08 area. And at that point it was just hanging around there. And I was looking at I went to my 5 minute chart. I try to look at where it's going to run into problems, and as you could see, actually not my daily chart, and as you could see, let's look over here, my daily chart. As you can see, it had problems getting over that 1060 area, so I draw my line right there, right? So now I go back to my 1 minute candle. As you can see, that 1060 line is right there. And as you can see, I was just waiting for it to make a new high. Now the high of this candle is 945, so I was just trying to get in right above that 945 area. And once I hit my hotkey, this thing was moving so quick because volume just kicked in. I was waiting for volume to kick in and waiting for it to make a new high. Once it made a new high, I hit my hotkeys. As you can see, instead of getting filled at 945, I got filled at 960. You can see I got filled at 960 here, which sucks, right? But it is what it is. There was strong volume, and the strategy basically breakouts. If we're trading breakouts, um, it popped up a good 30 cents. I was looking to sell right around the $10 mark. And as you can see, I got filled at 990. And boom, I took a 30-cent move. And then from there, I tried to wait for a pullback. And once it went below VWAP, you know what they say, if it's below VWAP, the sellers are in control. But if it's above VWAP, the buyers are in control. So just knowing these type of little things, I tried to wait for this candle here to go above the VWAP for me to jump back in because I wouldn't feel comfortable unless it jumped back to that 950 area to try to go back to the $10 mark, and it just never did that. And so also I was looking at the volume bars down here. As you could see, the volume was just decreasing and decreasing and decreasing and decreasing. So for that reason, I never jumped back in, and it just kept going lower and lower and lower and lower. So, knowing when to jump in, when to jump out is very important. I mean, obviously, sometimes there's going to be situations where, it doesn't pan out, but I'm very quick to cut my losses. If it went below my entry, I'm very quick to cut my losses because when I jump into a stock, I expect it to pop up a good 20, 30 cents right away. If it doesn't do that, or if it can't do that, then I don't feel comfortable trading it. So I'm always selling very quick if it goes below my entry point. So that was about it for the day. I just wanted to post this video real quick to show you guys. Took a quick 30 cent there, 1,200 bucks. And I'm always grateful when I wake up. I'm able to just sit at my laptop. I don't have to go drive to work. I could just sit right here at my laptop and just log on to my account, and in an hour I can make 1,200 bucks. That's of course, it's not the best day. Obviously, I've had better days, but I mean, how many people can stay home, make 1,200 bucks in less than an hour? Not too many. A lot of people right now, they just, because of this coronavirus thing, they can't even go to work. their incomes are being affected. There's a lot of things going on in this world right now, and this is why I took the time to learn this one skill, because I know once I learn these skills, once I learn the rules of this game, I knew that I'd be able to make money, and obviously money equals freedom, and the more money you make in the smallest period of time equals time freedom. So that was my whole goal. My whole goal was to create some form of time freedom, because in 1 hour I'm done. Now I have 23 hours to do whatever I want. Most people, they have to go to work to make $1,200. They have to work. The high income people, they got to work 8 hours, and then the low income people, they got to work a whole week to make $1,200. So it's difficult out there. So that's why I took the time to learn this skill, and I try to multiply my income and have time freedom, because time freedom is very important. Again, I would not have found this stock without trade ideas. Trade ideas is very important. Today was a very slow day. If I didn't find, if I didn't have trade ideas, I probably wouldn't trade today, because nothing was popping up. The stocks that I was looking at pre-market, they were just doing nothing, and so, um, you know, trade ideas is a very important tool to have. So, again, if you guys need help um, um, with your setting up your trade ideas, there's a link below. I can help you out with your trade ideas and help you set it up the way mine is. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. Also, just anything, hit me up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just let me know what you guys think about this. All right. So I'll chat with you guys another day.